Hello everyone, we've been working with regular verbs in the present tense in German. In this lesson we are going to continue with a new regular verb. This is the verb bekommen. Bekommen. Bekommen means to get in a general sense, to get. Bekommen is used in a lot of different expressions and we're going to look at a few of them. First, let's take a look at how to conjugate this verb in the present tense. These are the endings for the present tense. If you know the endings, then all you have to do is add them to the root. To find the root of the verb, all you have to do is remove the en and you're left with the root. So here I have my root and then I just add my appropriate ending. If I want to say I get in German, it's ich bekomme, ich bekomme. You get, the ending for this one is st. Du bekommst, you get. He gets, bekommt, she gets, sie bekommt, so the same ending for and sie. You get, this is the formal you, sie bekommen, you get. We get, wir bekommen. You get, this is the informal you, ihr bekommt. You get, again the formal but this time plural, sie bekommen, and finally they get, sie bekommen. Here are some words that we use to form expressions with bekommen. The first one is Angst, which means fear. The second one is Hunger, which means hunger. Eine Erkältung means a cold, and ein Kind means a child. So when we put these together with bekommen, the meaning is altered a little bit. If I say Angst bekommen, that means to get scared. Hunger bekommen means to get hungry. Eine Erkältung bekommen means to get a cold or to catch a cold. Ein Kind bekommen means to have a child or have a baby. Let's put all of this together and look at some examples. First, remember that when you conjugate a verb in the present tense in German, it can have more than one meaning depending on the context. So for example, ich bekomme can mean I get, I do get, or I am getting, and you'll see that in the examples. Looking at the first one here, if I say in German, ich bekomme Angst, this can mean I get scared or I am getting scared, just depending on the context. Or it can also mean I do get scared. Ich bekomme Hunger can mean I get hungry or I'm getting hungry or I do get hungry. Ich bekomme eine Erkältung. I catch a cold, I do catch a cold or I am catching a cold. Ich bekomme ein Kind. I have a baby or I'm having a baby. Du bekommst Angst. You get scared or you are getting scared or you do get scared. Du bekommst Hunger can mean you get hungry, you do get hungry, or you are getting hungry. Du bekommst eine Erkältung. You catch a cold, you do catch a cold, or you are catching a cold. Du bekommst ein Kind. You have a child, or you are having a child. Bekommt, he gets. Bekommt Angst. He gets scared, or he does get scared. He is getting scared. Bekommt Hunger. He gets hungry, he does get hungry, or he is getting hungry. Bekommt eine Erkältung. He catches a cold, he does catch a cold, he is catching a cold. Bekommt ein Kind. He has a baby or he is having a baby. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. Bis bald. See you soon.